The next one is don't quit. Keep going, don't quit. Don't stop. Because oftentimes people don't realize that time. People don't realize that. Oftentimes, people don't realize that just before your success, that's when there is a harder storm. That's when the going gets tougher. You face harder time just when you are about to explode, when you are about to hit the success. It gets so hard that most people quit without knowing that they are supposed to break through that hard times. Because as you break through that hard times, that is what we call breakthrough. It has to be hard. That you have to break through it. You say breakthrough. Breakthrough what? What do we break through? The hard time, that obstacle that is on our way, that is blocking us from our goals. You have to break through it. That is not the time to quit. Because things get tougher. Most people are tempted to quit. It's not time to quit. Don't quit. You're supposed to break through it, because immediately after that, you hit your goal. There is success on the other side of the wall when you break it through. So, don't quit. Strive a little harder. A little more patience, endurance. Take a chill pill. Drink some more water and cool down. Your dream is near you. Your goal is near you. If you can do this, if you can, goal. Life is continuously teaching yourself who you are, what you want to be. That's what life is all about. In life, we don't stop learning. We keep learning every day. You don't get too old to learn in life.
Another thing I want to say is be thankful, be grateful. When someone offers you something, learn to say thank you. It's very important in our happiness also. That can bring happiness to you, because the more you show gratitude to others, to people, the more happiness you derive. So be thankful, be grateful. Yeah?
Number 6, be compassionate. How do I mean be compassionate? This word is lacking it. Everybody should know that this word is lacking compassion. Compassion for one another. When you do things for others, I derive pleasure. I derive happiness when I'm able to help others. What is that thing you are doing? Maybe there's somebody that is aspiring to be like that. Carry somebody along. Well, that is what I do. I live my life every day lifting up someone. Yes, that's what I do every day. Because there are people God sets on your way, people you meet every day. There's a reason you meet people you meet. Things don't just happen. So when you meet people that you are kind of a bit more opportune than, what do? Don't turn your back. The little you can help, if it's monetary aspect, if it's even listening, paying attention. Somebody could be coming to you to want to talk with you. Pay attention. Give him a listening ear. Give a little piece of advice if you can, of which you can do all things. Give a little piece of advice. You would be changing that person's day. you would have transformed that person's life for that day. Not only will you make that person happier, transform that person, not only that, you are helping yourself also. You will be happy. You find satisfaction inside. Me, I find satisfaction in doing good. So whenever you find a situation you can help someone with, please do so. It doesn't matter in what way. Because there is a reason that person has come your way. Somebody comes to knock on your door. There is a reason. If there's any... So, by helping somebody, it helps you also to be happy. Wow. So, I'll be rounding off this. Thanks for joining me. And thanks for liking and sharing this video. Because I trust you will like it and you will give it thumbs up and you will share it. And please try all you can to subscribe to this channel. I'm very grateful if you do so. God bless you. Bye for now.